Hello friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. In the previous video, we talked about how to remove all the rows from collection. Now in this video, we'll talk about how to remove row from collection. So remove all the rows means clear the collection. Now remove row means remove only one by one row. So if you'll take this remove row option, it will remove from your first collection. It means from the first row. So if you take this remove row from this collection, so it will start removing your row from the first row. So first it will remove first, if you will run again, then 2, like that. So let me show you. So let me take one action stage, double click on that, right here remove row, and from this business object select collections, and here take here remove row. Now here we are not getting any option to remove any specific row. This remove row is just used to remove your first row from the first starting, right? You just need to pass the collection name in the double quotation. Now click OK. Link this one. So as you can see here, we have 10 rows in our collection, and once I will reset and start running this, it will delete one row. Now you can see here we have 9 rows. Go to current values and you can see now first row has been deleted. Now we have 9 rows. So if you need to continuously remove at least 4 to 5, so you can put that into the loop based on the count, right? So you can take counter like that, so just go up to 4 and then delete those rows. So you can do like that. I can show you one thing here, that if we have this loop, if we'll take this loop here, delete this and delete this also. Now take this loop here, select the master collection. Now link this here, because without using loop you cannot delete more than one, right? Reset this and start running that. Now you'll see here it will first remove one row from the top. Now loop through again, second row, now third row, fifth row. Now you can see here we have now only 5 rows. So from 1 to 5 rows have been deleted now, that have been removed from this collection now. So we have only 5 rows, like from 6 to 10. So by this way you can remove a row from this collection. I hope you like this video. If so, then please press the like button and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet.